Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're going to do a road noise test with a 2022 Jeep Renegade Lattitude. So we're going to have two extremes here. We're going to switch over to the right-hand lane here in just a second for the rough extreme, and then we'll get on some smooth pavement, give you an idea of what the road noise and the wind noise within the interior sounds like. So here we go. Okay, so there's your road test noise or road noise test. That's kind of hard to say without getting tongue twisted. At least it is for me. Your road noise test. We'll get it right this time with the Jeep Renegade Lattitude. Not too bad, really. We drove over some really rough pavement that was definitely anything but even. That was the first section we drove over, and obviously over the smooth pavement such as this right here that's got nice smooth asphalt, and even over a couple of sets of railroad tracks to give you an idea of what it sounds like within the interior. Obviously, it's important to remember, it's dead silent in here. I've got the fan speed turned down to low for the air conditioner. The radio's not on. There's nobody to talk to. It's just quiet in here. So it's going to be a little bit more noisy than it would be otherwise, but maybe that gives you a good perspective of what to expect if this is a vehicle you plan to buy.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.